Hi, this video tutorial will show you, step by step, how to insert a full deck of cards inside a bottle. First, remove the seal very carefully. Make sure an adult performs all cutting shown on this video. Now cut an opening on the side. Now it's time to open the bottom part. Be careful, take your time. Next, folds the bottom flaps inward. Follow the folding order shown on this video. Fold the case as shown and insert it into the bottle. Using a chopstick, unfold the case. Unfold the bottom flaps, reversing the folding order, and apply glue. Apply pressure to the bottom to make sure there are no gaps and the case sides are square. Let me know if you find something that can be improved, or if you have suggestions for any future tutorial videos. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. You will receive notifications every time I create a new tutorial on how to create impossible bottles, solve puzzles, or perform magic tricks. Next, insert one card at a time. Don't force it, or you will break the case. Take your time. Now, close the case. If you want to avoid gaps on the top flaps, apply a little of glue. Finally, it's time to place the seal. Congratulations! Your card deck in a bottle is ready. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. You will receive notifications every time I create a new tutorial on how to create impossible bottles, solve puzzles, or how to perform magic tricks.